Hello, good day. Welcome to the 1-minute Astro tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about stacking images in Siril. Compared to Deep Sky Stacker and Sequator, stacking in Siril is a whole lot faster, easier, and smarter. So let's get into it. First, you want to make sure that all your files are neatly sorted out in folders. You want biases, darks, flats, and lights, each in their own folder. If you don't know what any of these terms mean, see the description for explanation. Once you've done that, copy these folders, go to Pictures under your quick access bar, right click and paste. Now you want to open Siril and go to the blue button called Scripts and click OSC Pre-Processing. And that's it. Siril will take the wheel from here and you just have to wait. Once it's finished, go to Open and simply open the stacked file to begin editing. Click on this video if you'd like to know how to do basic editing in Siril. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please subscribe.